Okay, YouTube and Reddit r/lockpicking. This is my qualification video for greenbelt. Well, at least greenbelt. I'm actually not sure what it's gonna be because this is an arrow mortise cylinder that's not on the list for qualifications. Um, but I do know it's a lot higher quality of a lock than say like a regular quick set cylinder. Um, it's made to much tighter tolerances. With the quick sets, when you're picking them, every pin that you hit, um, when you set it, you can feel a noticeable slight turn on the core. That doesn't happen with these. Um, you gotta go quick set. You can just bully heavy tension. With this, with heavy tension, the pins just bind up. You can't even set them. So I'm gonna go a lot lighter tension. There's a lot less feedback. But let's see if we can get this done. This is actually like take number 7. We're after midnight now. My kids keep coming out of bed for some reason tonight. And I'm actually filming on my cell phone taped to a spatula taped to a chair. Because I don't have a proper camera set up yet. But hopefully we'll be fixing that soon. Alright, 6 feel set. I already know this lock pretty well. I failed to get it on camera yet, but come out to 3. 3 feel set. There's a good click. 4. Real slow here. 4 feel set. 5. 5's been giving me trouble because there's not a lot of feedback. And it likes to jump. There we go. 5 is set. Come back out. Should just be 1 and 2. Just mushed 3. Let me back off a little bit. Drop a couple pins down and see where we're at here. So 6. 6 dropped back down. 6 is set. 5 is set. 4 feels set. 3 feels set. Let's click out of 2. Let's see. 1 is loose. 2 is loose. And another click out of 3. Now, 1 didn't click, but it's coming back down. I lifted it all the way up. I know it's a high cut. Let's see what 2 gives us. Very slight click out of 2. 1 set. 2 set. 3. Oh, just heard something else drop back down. When I'm off camera, I pick this in one quick, one touch on each pin. When I'm on camera, it gives me more trouble. Alright, must have overset something. Let's start from scratch. Oh, right, straight to the back. Pretty familiar with this lock's layout now, so 6, and Tension is too heavy. I couldn't even lift 6. I don't know if I broke this lock. I'm picking it too much or what. Very light tension. 6. Set. I'm going to skip 5 for now because I don't even want to touch it. So 1 loose, 2 loose, 3 binding, click out of 3, 4 binding, click out of 4, I think, 5 binding, click out of 5, 6 feels set, 1's loose, 1's loose, 2's loose, 3, 3 feels mushy. Oh boy. Let's try a little heavier tension now. 1's loose, 2's loose, 3 feels set now, so I must have dropped 3 back down into position. 4's binding. Click out of 4. 5's back down, binding. Click out of 5. 6. 6 was pretty high cut. It feels set back up front. 1 binding slightly. 2. Click out of 2. 1 is binding tightly. 1 feels set. That can't be. Click out of 1. There we go. There's 2. 2 needed to go up a little more. All right. We're still recording. We're on good track. Let's see. Let's keep this in the shot. Don't need this anymore. This can come out of the way. My pinning table. Let's see. I need a Phillips head. So lock this back up because I do have the key. Need to get the right size screwdrivers. Let's see. That's too big. I don't believe it. Where are my little screwdrivers? God, why didn't I look at this first? Well, let's go a little unorthodox here. See if I can get these out with something else. I should have just removed this tail piece. Although then, probably would have dropped pins all over the place. Okay, let's keep this recording. Give me 1 minute. Hopefully the screwdriver is fine enough. It's still not quite the right size, but all right, we're in. It's my first try at a lock picking and gutting video, so I'm a little new, but we'll get there. Reddit and YouTube will get there. Alright, got my follower, got the keys. There's the bitting on the keys. Little up, down, little up, down. Nothing too crazy, but rotate it to about there. This follower. Okay, yeah, there we go. This is actually a homemade follower. I have a one that I purchased and copied like a quick set follower, but we'll use my homemade one. Alright. Pin 1. 2. Get off of there. 3. 4. 5. 6. So I actually have about like 25, 30 of these arrow cylinders. Pretty soon I'm going to start making my challenge locks out of these cores, I think. They're, like I said, pretty tight tolerances. Here is, whoop, key pin 1. Yeah, they're nice, real nice locks, and I think what I would start doing is swapping out key pin 2, swapping out the pull off, pin holder, pull that off, and thread these and put set screws in there. Spring 1, spring 2, give it a bit more easy access. These always get damaged pulling them off and putting them back on. So I think that would be a good start. Making my own security pins and stuff. Maybe some special, I don't know, special edition. See what I can come up with my Dremel. That was 3. All right, flip around, come from the back. 6. Well, here's 6's spring. Key pin 6 or driver pin 6. 5. And driver pin 4. Alright, all the springs are the same, so you just dump those out. One of them sticking in there. I'm not sure which one, but I don't think it's too important. Oh no, here it is, sitting right there. All right. There, let's see, right there. There we go. Send this off to the mods and get one of my belts.